What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Mom and Son Show.
I'm the mom.
And I'm the son, and today we have an awesome episode. We're talking about you can finally drink in Magic Kingdom. Is that right? But
Woohoo.
also, we're talking about brand new deals for Florida residents over summer. You don't want to go anywhere because this could actually save you a lot of money. Before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And Mom, how was your week so far? It is a beautiful Friday going into Mother's Day.
Yep, we
So,
need
how
rain. We need rain. We need rain.
I heard it's one of the biggest droughts that we've ever had,
Yeah.
or
Our
in,
grass looks horrible.
well, you should turn your sprinkler on. But that's
They are
besides the
on.
point. Let's go ahead and get into it because we have a
Okay.
lot to go over just because everybody knows I don't do our presentations, Mom does. And Mom put a lot in today, so we got to just get right to it, I believe. And we always start off with what, Mom?
Ride closures. And
Ride.
at your request, there's some new pictures.
Excellent,
See
excellent.
that? New pictures. Look at that Hall of Presidents. It's just a sign that says we're closed.
Jeez. Now,
Okay.
how do they do second term presidents? Do they
They
add
don't
two of
add
them? Oh, okay.
no, no,
So,
no.
but they'll
Maybe
just move Trump to the very end because aren't they in order?
yes.
Okay.
Yes. I mean I'm assuming so.
I
I
can't
don't
tell you the
know.
last time I've ever been in there, so I have no
Yeah.
idea. I don't even know
Yeah.
what it looks like, but okay.
Oh, you
Moving
would. As
on.
soon as you walked in, you'd say, "Oh, I remember." Dumbo Playground reopening spring, so that should be
That's,
soon.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Test track late summer,
This
and then
has to be
Blizzard.
soon, yeah.
It's going to be soon. It's going to be soon because a while ago they were already doing the test drive with new vehicles.
And they're putting up the signs. Everybody saw
Right,
the signs
right,
being put up, so
right. And then Blizzard Beach, of course, is closed until the 21st, and then closing May 11th is Mama Melrose's
bye.
restaurant. And then this is a new one, May 20, I mean, not a new one, a new picture, May 21st through September 7th. Both water parks are open at the same time. And I think this is because they're offering the free water park day
Yep, they said
to,
they need to handle the guests.
yeah,
But
well,
it'd be interesting if you have to do a reservation because I wonder what most guests will go to. Who cares if both of them are open? But I feel like
uh,
Blizzard Beach is a much better theme than Typhoon Lagoon. So I wonder if Blizzard Beach will be
well, Blizzard Beach
more
is newer,
busy.
plus it just had the most recent remodel.
Right.
So,
And so,
yeah,
interesting. Interesting.
yep. And then here we have some updates. So, Lilo and Stitch, as you know, the movie's coming out, and this is cute what some of the big theaters are doing.
It should be cute. I think it'll be
Yeah,
cute.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
I hope they go off of and it's funny that they have that what do they call it in Moana? The
I don't know what you're talking about.
in Moana, the not yeah,
Oh,
Moana,
the
the coconut
Kokomora?
guy. Yeah, the
The
Kokomora.
Kokomora.
It's funny that they have him in one of the trailers.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
But it should be fun. And this
okay.
is the biggest news
Right. Abu
that I
Dhabi
completely
Park.
forgot that we were going to talk about.
That's okay. All right. So they just Bob Iger was over there and met with the huge company that does a lot of the building of amusement parks and entertainment areas. Morale, it's called, and it's Disney's not going to own the park. Disney is going to provide the creative theme, the creative content about it, but all of the money is being used by Abu Dhabi. They're going to pay for all of this construction. It looks like it's going to be cool.
Here's the thing. You cannot tell what it looks like because they did this so broad that you have like it's just to
Well,
show like you can see Space Mountain off in the back right, but
okay,
that's not going to be what Space Mountain is.
no,
It's just
but
it's
and
literally just
let's think about
scribbles
it.
saying, hey,
Let's
this is
think
our new
about it.
park.
What did Communicore Hall look like when they did the first rendering? Everybody was so excited, and then we ended up getting just a square. area.
Yeah, I mean, there's no doubt that this is going to
Yeah.
be because
First
Abu
of all,
Dhabi always
they
does
right,
above and beyond.
right.
So this is going to
And
be
that's one of
amazing.
the
But
interesting thing is when they were talking, when Iger was talking about why they chose to go with Abu Dhabi. And let me find it because it really they have the existing infrastructure, but the tourism scale. Uh, oh, I can't find
well,
it now.
I think they already have four other theme parks
There
around
there
the
are,
area.
uh-huh. There absolutely are. But there was one comment about they met the financial criteria. Oh, here we go. The income. They met the income of the tourists that they were hoping to get. So they're not going to put a park in a financially depleted area. They're not going to put a park where there's not going to be a lot of crowds. They said that the people that will be coming to this park, it would take them so much money and so much time to get to a Disney park because they're so far away.
Well, I mean, they don't
So,
have uh, Disney never had a park in the African continent, so
right, right, right.
they're crossing off a bunch of checklists.
A
But we'll
bunch of
see. It's
check
going to take.
marks.
They're saying that it will be open before the new Universal Park will be open. I'm not talking about Epic. I'm talking about the new Universal Park.
That was a good
So
slide in, yeah.
they say in less than 5 years, which is pretty crazy for a whole
It
park.
is crazy, but we shall see. We shall see. All right.
May the fourth be with you. Some
So
pictures of what happened.
yep. So there's the Grogu little Lego that people were able to build, and I was surprised because people were not complaining that they couldn't do it. So they must have had a lot of supply. And then, of course, on the right are the sippers, the popcorn buckets. And then they did have some cool photo ops. So this was the Hollow Puck, BB-8, and then the lightsaber. I think the dark saber was cool. That looks really neat.
I like the puck. The puck better is way better. That
Yeah.
just looks like
They've had the puck in
a
the
s-
past before, though,
it
during the
actually
day.
looks
'Cause
horrible photoshopped.
what are you
Huh.
talking about?
I'm talking about the sword. That looks like a Photoshop sword. That looks
It's not
horrible.
photoshopped. It's from a somebody's posted picture.
Huh.
So anyway, and this is what it looked like. So it actually closed. They had cast members standing at both of the entrances and exits after 6 p.m. The only way you could get into that area is if you had a reservation to one of the two dining areas there.
Really? Huh.
Yeah, so it was mobbed. It was mobbed, and they said that during the afternoon the line started to get really long because they had May 4th specific merchandise. Even though there was the store available, they did have some things that were at the stores in Galaxy's Edge.
Hmm.
So I mean, it looks neat, but do you want all those people?
Yeah. No. Count me out. Count me out. This is going to be
Uh-huh.
cool. This is cool.
Okay, so they're trying to start something new, I think. So it's not a festival, but this is Goofy's Ultimate Playground at Goof Core Hall. They're not calling it Communicore Hall now; it's Goof Core Hall. May 27th to September 1st, you're going to dance to DJ, surprise characters. Stitch is going to be in Tomorrowland. Pluto's going to be walking around with silt walkers and jugglers, and this is just in Epcot. The other parks are going to have the same type of things as well.
Now,
So
I feel like I don't know. It
what?
sounds cool, but I feel like parents might think this is like a daycare where they could just drop their kids off.
No, 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 no. You would be that parent. Okay, and here we go. May 14th to July 31st. Pick up your magnet.
And who was right?
So thorns shall twist and shadows grow upon this land. Her power will flow. Her evil magic shall reduce and smolder, less tempered by each annual pass holder.
I knew it.
So pretty
I
cool.
knew it.
So same old, same old. Pick it up at Creation Shop at Epcot during regular park hours.
Love it. I called it. I knew it. I knew it.
Okay. And here's a great one. They've done this before. The Summer Magic ticket, $60 a day if you get the 4-park ticket. Now, the one thing to realize is you can only go into one park each day.
Yes. Yep.
However, for $40 more, you get the Park Hopper add-on. So
$40
then
more a day.
a day. So it's $100 for a Park Hopper. Right now, the Park Hopper tickets are going for almost $200. So it's still a good savings. And you still need to make a reservation, a park reservation with these.
So instead of 240, it's 400.
What?
If you get the park hopper, instead of $240, it's $400.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Yes. That makes sense.
Okay.
It's too early to do math.
All right. I'm
Okay.
just double checking that.
So if you
But
have
you
anybody
have to
who's
use it
coming,
before September too. So
yes, and
there's
again,
a
you
time
don't have.
lock on it.
Yes, but remember, a lot of times in the past, before, if you had like a 3 or 4 day pass, you had to use it within 7 days.
Yeah.
Now you do have the whole summer to use it, which is awesome.
Yeah, which is not bad. Or if you,
Yeah.
as on the top right, if you see that, if you only wanted to do a 2-day ticket, it's $105. So
Right.
that's not bad.
Right. Okay. So now we have the intro to the Little Mermaid opening. I thought this one was cool.
High-tech digital puppets.
Right?
Nice.
Right? I think that's going to be really, really neat. I can't wait to see that. And guess what? We'll see it because we're going to be up there that weekend.
May 27th. It looks
Uh-huh.
okay. That I don't think the video was kind of lame. But
Oh, I liked it. They were
nah.
keeping with the underwater, shipwreck theme.
Yeah, cool.
So
Cool.
cool. All right,
This is
whatever.
the cool thing right here.
Okay.
Let's get
Okay.
drunk.
All
Whoa,
right. The
no,
beak
we do
and
not get drunk on this
no,
channel.
the beak and barrel. Now, before you move on, okay,
I'm moving
I
on
was
already.
looking into the history of how this developed. If you look at the word the beak, if you look at
It's a
beak,
parrot, yeah.
okay, the B is the parrot, but in the K, it's a cutlass.
I don't even know what a cutlass is.
Okay.
Okay, before does anybody know what the sword cutlass means?
The cutlass is a sword.
Oh, okay.
So very good, very good. So there's a sword there in the K, and they did that deliberately, which is kind of cool because they never do anything without a purpose. So now you can click on it.
Okay, now we can click on it.
Now you can
Good,
click
we're
on it.
in. Oh, watch out for the
Oh,
bird. It's coming
watch out,
in
watch
hot.
out, watch out, watch out, watch out. And that's it. There you go. There's your excitement. That's where it's going to be. I was actually shocked because in my mind, for some reason, I had it on the other side near the Tortuga Tavern.
I did too, actually. That's very surprising. Huh.
Right. So when you face pirates and where the exit is, there was that store that you would walk through.
Right.
And
yeah.
then there was a little area that had crowns.
Yeah, right here. I don't know if you can see it
Yeah.
on my screen, but right here used to be crowns. Yeah,
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting.
So very interesting. I was shocked when I saw that.
Yeah,
So,
and I'm actually very impressed you were able to move that bird. Good job. Mom.
Hey, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. So the backstory to it, it's owned by Captain Meridian Mary Goldwyn, and her quartermaster is Rummy, the parrot. And for all you old people, that's also the Barker parrot that was there for Pirates of the Caribbean. So they're reincarnating him, and it's going to be storytelling. There's going to be sing-alongs. There're going to be surprises. It really sounds like it's going to be fun. Click.
It does seem like it's going to
Okay.
be great.
So here's the artist rendering, obviously, but everything talks about the 5 bottles that are on the wall. And those bottles are going to wake up and cause like a war or disruption or something. So that's going to be cool too.
And
So it
sorry.
almost sounds similar to what am I thinking of? Trader Sam's.
Trader Sam. I would say Trader Sam's, and also when you need reservations, and it's a 45-minute max. You cannot sit
Olga's.
down there.
Yep. Yep.
Not Olga's here. You cannot be.
No, just like it's similar to
yeah,
Olga's.
yeah.
They have that too.
Yeah,
They have
you
that
cannot
also.
be here for more than
Yeah.
45 minutes, so everybody
Right.
can experience it, and it's a
Right.
2-drink max. I don't think Olga's is a 2-drink max.
Yeah, it used to be.
Yeah,
It used to be.
because I'm pretty sure we have had more than 2 drinks at Olga's.
Yes.
But
Because they figured it takes you 45 minutes to drink too.
well, it's also
They don't know you.
this is the only place you can grab a drink in Magic Kingdom without having to sit down at a diner. So
Yes. Yes. So anyway, so that's the Beacon Barrel. It's going to be fun.
Happy
like everything else.
Mother's Day, everybody. Happy
Because
Mother's
Sunday is
Day.
Mother's Day. I hope you have big plans. I'm waiting for mine. Haven't heard anything yet.
I thought we were going to on the eco tour. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm not going on the eco tour.
Oh, you're not? Oh,
No.
well, then you're
No.
out. Then you're out.
Yep, I'm out. I'm out.
I did want to talk about they released Monsters Inc. info, the ride. That's why it's in my background.
Okay.
But I thought you were going to have it on there, but
How did I
the
miss it?
I have no idea. I have no idea, but maybe that'll be next week
Did,
because
okay, the new permits that
no, not
since
the new permits, but how they are going to be rising, and it's just a new
oh,
interview with the
we did a oh, okay,
Imagineers.
yes. Okay. Okay.
So
Gotcha.
pretty cool.
And it seems like the day after they had the May the 4th store, they
Hmm.
submitted the permits to do the tear down of it, of
The
that
May
store.
4th tour. What?
The May 4th, they had a store there where you needed a virtual queue.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the day after they filed permits so that they could knock it down to get ready for Monsters Inc.
Oh, got you. Okay, cool.
So, okay.
Yeah.
So anyway,
You got
are
a
you
joke?
ready?
Oh, yeah.
I do have a joke. What did the mom broom say to the baby broom?
Sweet baby sweep.
You're close.
Mm.
Go to sweep.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He got.
Yeah,
Okay.
not that good.
What's our fact?
The fact of the day is, did you know that Liberty Oak in Oak Square or Liberty Square in Magic Kingdom? There's a
What's
big
Liberty
oak,
Oh, yes,
an
yes,
oak
yes.
tree, the big one that
Yes.
has the 13
Yes.
lanterns that have
Lanterns.
the
Yes.
for the
The
colonies, the
13
original 13
original
colonies.
colonies. Yep.
That Liberty Oak actually is a parent of over 500 young oaks around the park.
Oh, gotcha. I had to really follow that a
So
minute.
you know how trees can, I guess, blow
Populate.
populate, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, they've populated that tree over 500 times, and that is an original tree, by the way. It's been relocated. However,
Oh,
it's over. I think they said it's over 500 years old.
that is cool. That is cool.
Let me see here. Hold on. Oh, it's over 100 years old. It's a
Oh,
southern live
wow.
oak.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you corrected yourself because I
Thank
didn't want
you.
to have to call you out next week.
I don't need that. Don't need
Yeah.
that. Hey, don't forget to
Alrighty.
like and subscribe, people. Thank you so much. Have a great Mother's Day. We're going to be on the other coast for a little bit. We'll come back and see everybody on Mother's Day. But yeah, stay safe.
Okie dokie. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. I'm the mom.
And I'm the son, and this is the Mom and Son Show.